Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my podcast, Smashing Through with Rebecca.x. I am so excited you're here on this episode. Topics include life, business, mindset, full of kick-ass content and high energy. Enjoy the podcast, and remember, you too can smash through and keep going always. Call your energy back in. This episode is all about energy maintenance. Now, stay with me. Everything is energy. You've probably heard that sentence before. So when you're having even a conversation with someone or reading an email or, being in the same room as someone, you can feel the energy, right? And there's also an energy exchange when you have sexy time with your partner or whoever you're with, okay? And so the thing is that we do have to call our energy back in, because fragments of our energy then go out to the other people who we're connected with, the situations that we're experiencing and everything else. And so what you will then find is that you're tired, you're depleted. And so you don't even register and know that your energy is kind of spread out. It's like gone through like a sieve and it's kind of spread out with everyone else, and everyone else has got a little piece of your energy, okay? And it's like, okay, why am I feeling tired? I'm feeling depleted because that conversation tested me, drained my energy, whatever it is, okay? And you've got to make sure your energy is flowing at all points. So my previous podcast episode, number 308, Fill Your Own Cup, is really going to help you together with this one. Okay, so both number 308 and this one is 309, they're really going to help you. But you do need to have an energy maintenance check, making sure that you are calling your energy back into your own body and back to you. So you need to cut the apron strings, snip, all of that, and make sure that your energy is flowing back to you. And how you can do that is very, very simple. It's a very easy technique if you're into meditation or nebulization, anything like that. And visualization is that you can close your eyes and then obviously concentrate on your breath and just say the words out loud. I call my energy back from, and name all these people, name all these situations, and imagine you've got all these strings out from your body which are connected to everybody else, and you're bringing them back in. Like you are bringing back in, say for example, you're on a fishing boat, okay, and you're bringing back in, you've got the cord in your hands and you're bringing back in the net, okay? You're bringing back your energy to yourself. And then you put yourself, and I've said this for years, okay? You put yourself in a bubble, all right? So it's like your Glenda off, Wizard of Oz or Wicked or whatever. You put yourself in a bubble. And I've said this back at the Ignite Live event back in 2019. And everyone was like, what do you mean you're in a bubble? And it's like, yes, put yourself in a bubble. So I put my hands up, put myself in a bubble energetically. And it's like, right, tell me what you want. So if I'm in a conversation with someone and they're going to tell me something negative or they're sharing something negative in their life, I'm like, hang on a minute, put myself in a bubble. I physically do with my hands, honestly, put myself in a bubble, and I'm like, and I breathe and I'm like, right, go, because I know I'm then protected. But when your energy is with others, and I do this every single day, your energy goes out with anyone that you've had contact with, whether it be the mail person, delivering all the letters and parcels, whether it be someone in the park that you've spoken to, anything like that, pull it back in. Because your energy, even with you smiling and saying hi, you're giving out energy. Do you get me? Everything is energy. Everything is energy. And this is why people go into nature, take time out, go hiking, go around the water. They replenish in water, in the ocean. They hug trees. They stay around nature, okay? It's a whole different vibe and it really is good. But when you can call in and you're pulling the cord back in, I want my energy back. And you can just imagine, close your eyes and imagine you calling back your energy from every single person, from every single situation. It's so powerful. The energy inside your body, your feelings and everything just come back, and you can feel yourself topping up again like a mobile phone. You can see your energy levels rising. It's a bit like one of those Sonic games back in the day. I know they still have Sonic nowadays in 2024, but back in the 80s, you can see it going up and everything, all the energy levels and all those computer games. And the thing is that it's like, yeah, I need my energy back. Like, these people take, or they're draining, or these situations, or maybe your clients or your customers or whatever, whoever it is, they haven't done anything wrong. But even if they have wronged you or betrayed you, or call it back, you need all your energy back in order for you to function at 100% or even 80% or even 75%. You need your energy, okay? And again, like I said previously, my episode number 308, Fill Your Own Cup, is really going to help you with this, combined with this episode. The other thing that will help you call back in your energy and keep your energy with you is setting boundaries. Boundaries are so crucial. They are paramount. And I don't think people really understand how incredibly important these things are. These guys are so important, these boundaries. Okay, they are gatekeepers to you. And they are stood there. They're like Anubis. Okay, they are stood there. They are, your protection. So it's not necessarily about you saying no and kind of being horrible. And I'm saying horrible in the speech things with my fingers, horrible to the person. It's you saying, no, actually, I don't want to do that. Or no, sorry, I'm not doing that. Or you don't even have to say the word sorry. It's like, no, I'm fully booked. I can't do that day. Do you get me? It's not about being nasty and horrible or anything. Don't send that energy out there. But it's like, actually, no. Can you see no is a full sentence? And it's like, you don't have to say no. I mean, me saying no, the way that I've been raised, it's kind of rude. So I would follow it up with, no, actually, I'm fully booked that day, or I'm busy that day, or no, my money's allocated, or whatever. You know what I mean? Instead of just saying the word no, because I think it's rude. But it is a full sentence if you want to use that. And the thing is, with the boundaries, they're different for every single person. And when you set your boundaries in place and someone demonstrates to you they're unhappy with your boundary, they demonstrate to you that they then start getting rowdy or nasty or start shouting, that tells you more about that person. They rant and rave on social media. True colours are always shown, as I always say. And as long as you keep your, you reserve yourself, you don't retaliate, you don't just let it play out. Because you've said no, or you've set boundaries in place and you've actually protected yourself. It's all about being in the bubble, and it's all about making sure that everything is in alignment with you, that you are calling back your energy. You don't have to give until you're so depleted, you're crawling into bed at night, so exhausted. And I'm talking about everything in your life, whether it be a job, business, relationship, parentship, whether you're the parent or you have parents. It could be family, it could be friends, anybody and everything, okay? Call your energy back in and make sure that you are setting kick-ass boundaries for yourself, okay? If the boundary sways a little bit, don't have a go at yourself. Just go, okay, see it, acknowledge it, call it out, observe, and go, right, we're not doing that again. That's okay, but we're not doing it again. And move on from there. Power yourself up, okay? And there's lots on my website that can actually help you with this. So go to Rebecca.x.biz.com and I'll see you on the next episode.